Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick tutorial guide how you can change your time in Dominar 2018 or 2019 version. It's the same, it works same for all of them. So first what you have to do is you have to switch on your engine, make sure your ignition is on. Okay, so then you have the mode and S button, and also make sure it's on a trip 1. Okay, and just hold the mode and setting button together. Okay, you see that it's blinking right now, the timing. Okay, M will change the hours. Okay, I'll just change it to 3, and setting will change the minutes to 44, and then you hold the mode and setting button together around 5 seconds and it's done. So this is how you change your timing in Dominar. So in 2019 version it will be here. So you see the ABS side stand button, and on the older version it will be there at the front, mode and setting button.